In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Evernote to Obsidian. We'll move your notes using Obsidian's official importer plugin so everything stays clean and organized. First, we'll export your notes from Evernote. Open Evernote and head to the Notebook section in the left sidebar. Pick the notebook you want to move, then click the three dots next to its name and choose Export Notebook. When the export window appears, select enex as the format. This is Evernote's standard export file and it works best with Obsidian. Make sure options for tags and attachments are enabled so your metadata and files come along. Choose a location you'll remember, give the file a clear name, and confirm. Evernote will create a .enex file. If the notebook is large, give it a moment to finish before moving on. Now switch over to Obsidian and open the vault where you want your notes to live. Go to Settings, then Community Plugins, and turn Community Plugins on. You'll be asked to confirm that you trust Community Plugins. Go ahead and confirm. This allows you to install the official importer. Still in Community Plugins, click Browse and search for Importer. Install it and make sure it's enabled. You should now see Importer in the left sidebar, ready to go. Click Importer in the sidebar and choose Evernote as the source. When prompted, select the .enex file you exported earlier and confirm. Obsidian will begin converting your Evernote notes into markdown files and placing them into your vault. Any images and attachments included in the export will be brought in as well. Depending on the size of your notebook, this may take some time, so let it run until it completes. Once the import finishes, take a moment to review everything. Browse through your vault to ensure notes were converted properly, images and attachments appear where expected, and tags look correct. If you exported one notebook at a time, you'll likely find your organization remains tidy. It's a good idea to keep your original .enex file as a backup, just in case you want to re-import or adjust your approach later. The Importer plugin is the official and recommended way to move from Evernote to Obsidian, and importing notebooks individually can help keep your vault organized from day one. That's it, your notes are now in Obsidian and ready for you to work with. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.